Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on the application of Duolingo. Autoplay on Duolingo, you will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about Duolingo and you will click. In this page of app info, we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.